is finally time to unbox the all new, brand new Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. And no, it's not the natural titanium. Instead, I went for the shade which I always go through, which is the black titanium, meaning any shade dark. So for starters, I guess you can see what I've already taken for unboxing today. We have the phone here. We have the all-new Airpods Pro Generation 2 with the USB outlet, the USB-C charger because Apple doesn't provide chargers anymore. It's been a while, no surprises there. Have the silicone case for the Apple 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it's in the clay shade, and screen protector and another cover I have. So I'll start off with unboxing this phone, and the box is very minimalist. It's nice, conventional Apple, and this bit is a bit raised. You have a nice feel to it. It feels premium. Apple all the way. The Apple logo and the iPhone inscription here actually denotes the color of phone you have. So this being the black titanium, these are black, as you can see. This is 250 gigs, and here goes. This was bought from Malaysia, by the way, and it was bought from Switch, which is one of the authorized premium resellers of Apple in Malaysia. And here goes. This is the best part of the unboxing. So satisfying. Peekaboo, peekaboo, and peek. See, this is lovely. In this lighting conditions, at some angles it actually looks like blue titanium, but it's black. As always, I went for this shade because it's a neutral color. You can't go wrong with this, and the back feels so nice. The camera bump is here and the cameras are huge. One little thing which I didn't like in particular for the 15 Pros and the Pro Maxes this time is the frames of the lenses. The lens setup is in the same shade as the back here. So for this reason, the overall camera setup the lens appears to be a bit smaller. But in the previous generations, like the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, the frames of the lens setup were in the black color, gloss black color, so the entire thing used to look like the lens setup itself, so it appears more. So sometime in the future I'll do a side-by-side comparison of the 14 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max so that you can actually understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, keeping this aside for the moment. So as usual, it comes with here's the main difference for the 15 Pro and actually the 15 series. It's all USB-C now, and these has the regular stuff, the key for the SIM tray, Apple stickers and everything. So I'll leave it to that. Okay, it feels so nice to the touch, seamless, smooth. People keep on saying that this is actually much lighter than the 14 Pro Max. It is, but if you actually do not compare it side by side, it doesn't feel that way because this itself has its own heft, and the heft itself makes it kind of premium. The sides are so nice. This is where the beauty of the titanium actually, you get to see this. It's brushed, it's nice, it's more ergonomic because it's more pleasant to the touch, because the 14 Pro Maxes were very edgy because the sides were made of stainless steel. The frame was stainless steel. Here's another major change is the action button here. I guess by this time you all know. But what I can see right now, this is also prone to fingerprints, and it has the halo effect here among the side, as you can see. This is not something it should bother you much because you can just rub this off. Now I'm going to take off the cover, and this is a very satisfying bit. Sweet. Turning it on for the first time. sometime this year. Apple has its perks of being fashionably late when it comes to. And well, hello, there you have it. The main difference between this, the 15 Pro Max and the 14 Pro Max, is the fact that the bezel, the ratio of the bezel has been reduced. This has much more thinner bezels than the 14 Pro Max, and it's going to take some time to set it up, which I'm going to do it eventually, so I'll leave it to that. And this is very nice to the touch, and it's also fingerprint prone, as you can see. USB-C, and it feels nice, solid. I like it. So there's not much to talk about this because it's just a silicone case. What I can do is just show you the color of the silicone case here, and as you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to understand the shade due to this lighting condition. It's actually a very nice shade. It's called clay according to Apple, and I think it's going to go pretty well as a contrasting case with the black titanium 15 Pro Max. What I'm going to do now is actually unbox the AirPod with the USB-C, because that is something which a lot of us have been waiting for. This has no surprises. This is just another 20 watt power adapter, like for fast charging, because Apple once again doesn't give chargers anymore. There goes. This is the AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB inlet. Come on, there it is. So I really like the fact how Apple seals their boxes. It gives you a very nice feel of satisfaction when you take the seals off, and love Apple packaging. It gives such a premium feel, and there it is. Same thing as before, but it has the USB-C. No surprises here, except the charging point. Other things which are notable is obviously everyone uses a screen protector, just like that. I've taken one. Oh, this is a matte. I haven't seen this. I actually opted for a clear one, but I can just change it anytime. Other thing, this is another case which I've taken. It's a black case, and it's going to go hand in hand with the phone itself, and it's supposed to be super protective. Like you can see, it has drop protection, anti-yellowing. Obviously it's not clear. Slim fit design, reinforced corners, and raised edges to protect your camera lens setup. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know how you like this unboxing. It's pretty late to join the party for the unboxing series of the 15 Pro Max. I'll get back to you as soon as I use the phone for quite some time and let you know how I deal with the issues. If I face overheating, or I'm not gonna try to bend it because it's pretty expensive and I'm not a regular phone reviewer, so if I break this, it's gone. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take super good care of it. But what I'm going to look forward to is seeing how the battery fares off, how the camera fares off, how the video fares off, and also the extent to which it overheats, because Apple claims that it has resolved the issue by its iOS 17 point something update. So those are the things which I actually yet have to find, and an actual hands-on user experience of the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. And once again, I love the fact that this is in black titanium. I don't go with the trend, which is why I don't have the natural titanium. Take care. Ciao.